What's up, guys? Just to give y'all my 2-year review. I just had got my 5,000 mile service just done on my bike, and like I said before, my 1 year, no complaints whatsoever. I have no regrets in buying this. I pretty much got it to where I want it. Still got a few things I want to do to it. I want to get some replace the stock shocks, especially in the back. But it looks pretty good. And one thing I like about this, like I mentioned before, is the Electra standard. You can make it the way you want. So of course I got just a recap. You know, I did videos on a lot of these, stuff from my most recent purchase. So of course we got the lower fairings. Got those off Amazon. I think they was around $100. Have no complaints about those. I actually replaced the headlights. I also got the LED turn signals for the front with the smoke covers. Everything got on Amazon. Also, foot pegs. Gotta have these, my highway pegs. Love these. Also the liner. Well, I also did buy, I don't know if you can see that, but I actually have the liner. So I got that from Harley Davidson. So keep stuff banging around and moving around on me. It's a little dirty right now, I need to wash it. But my latest purchase actually is my tall boy seat. I love it. Haven't taken my wife on it yet, but it's a good seat. Ran me about 340 bucks, but it's good quality. And so far, I love it. It's a lot comfortable. I'm 6'1". Works out great for me. And of course, I got the handlebars, the mini apes, also from Harley Davidson. I got the hand grips, because the one that come with the Electra standard, just rubber. They're crap. So I went ahead and replaced that. Of course, I got my Sony AXV, I believe, 5000. Got that from Fathead Cycles. It was a plug and play kit. Very straightforward. I think I paid like $400, just shy of $500 for that. I also replaced the windshield from the stock. This actually gives me better protection than the stock windshield. So no buffering at all. I also got my tour pack, which I also bought on Amazon. I believe it came from 7 Blacksmiths, I think it's called. This is the actual vendor that sent it. But I love it. It looks a lot better with the full seat as opposed to the street glide seat. So I put that on there so I could change the look of it. That's what I really like about it. So if not going out on a long trip or plan on going buy some things, I could take this off and just put my passenger backrest on, or I could just take it off completely. So I still have 2 other seats. I have the stock solo seat that came with it, so I can go that route if I take everything off of it. I also have a street glide seat that I purchased from a guy that bought his new bike, and he bought a custom seat. So I bought that seat off him for like $100, which is great. Also, got the passenger floorboards. Also got that on Amazon. So basically, everything on this bike is pretty much just the way I want it. Like I said, I probably won't do anything else to it other than the rear shocks, and also I might get the saddlebag guards. So I'm gonna get that. But pretty much, oh, one thing also, I still have to get the LED tail lights for the bike and the tail light. So turn signals, the tail lights, I'm actually replace that. So, but other than that, guys, I mean, no complaints whatsoever. I'm also gonna get the lighted handlebar controls, so that way I can actually utilize the volume and the next track and things of that nature to my radio, because the stereo does have the module which will work with the Harley Davidson hand controls. These are just stock. Of course, the electric standard doesn't come with the information system or the volume controls, and I think that's around $240 from our Harley Davidson, so I'm going to get those. But other than that, guys, really love the bike. No complaints whatsoever. I think they're going around just shy of 19,000 right now for the 2021 22s. Got mine for $16,900 back in 2019. Because the 2000s were on the floor, so they marked them down like 2,000. All the 2019s were knocked down for like $2,000. I'm not sure how it's going now with Harley Davidson with the supply and demand issue. You might not get that deal, but still, based on the total amount I paid for this, it's still less than what I would have paid if I would have got a a street glide, and electric glide, or I'm sorry, the limited, probably way more than what I paid for this. But this is my own bike. You know, I fixed it the way I wanted it, and that's what I really like about Harley Davidson, and especially what I like about the electric glide standard. So I know a lot of guys out there got theirs. Everything's stock on it pretty much, mechanically. I still haven't got the exhaust. I'll probably get a stage 1 kit, possibly, but in stock mode, guys, this is pretty much all I need for me. Has all the horsepower I need and the torque. So eventually I will do that. I do have a scratch right here from when I hit the curb and I broke my foot. Woo, got hot right here. So that's really the only, I guess, scratch or flaws on it. And of course I gotta take that off. That's from when I first bought the bike. I had some shoes and it kind of touched that. It kind of melted a little bit. But other than that, guys, can't go wrong. I have no complaints. So for all you fellow electric glide standard owners out there, hey, hit me up. Let me know if you did. I know there's a lot of guys I subscribe to your channel. So I know I haven't posted a video in a while, but I'm gonna go ahead and put a few more out. Still want to do some different installs, like stuff that's out there, and try it out. Probably post that up because I learned a lot from you guys that have channels. So I just try to do the same thing and give the similar information. And my God, I need to watch this bike. So, oh, and also, guys, don't bust my balls for only having just under 5,000 miles and after having a bike for 2 years. So I know I plan on having way more miles than that, but that's going to change here too. I live in Texas, so obviously we could ride year round pretty much out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and just get more content out there. But other than that, guys, you guys have a great day, and thank you for checking out my channel. If you like, give me a thumbs up. And you can also support me by subscribing, guys. So other than that, such a beautiful day today here in October. I'm sorry, November. I had to come out and ride, so that's why I'm out here. So enjoy, guys. Everybody have a great day.